Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers again with another one of our Versus videos. Today's Versus video is, why would I buy from RV Wholesalers instead of my local RV dealer? A lot of reasons here guys, a lot of things that we do that other dealers don't do. The biggest one is our nationwide service network. We have over 2,500 service centers all across the country that will take care of you if you have a breakdown, some kind of warranty issue, or you just need service work done. And again, we help you make the appointment. We help you get the bill paid if it's warranty. We'll even pay the bill for you if it's warranty, and the service center won't do it as warranty. So we just have your back all the time. RVW Bill Pay is what I was just talking about. So we have the nationwide service network. We can get you in and get you fixed. RVW Bill Pay pays the bill if the dealer or the service center will not do it under warranty. And we also have our finance discount. If you get a loan through one of our banks, they pay us, we pay you. We just give the money directly to you. Why do we do that? It makes your price more affordable. It also saves you on interest on your loan, but it also saves you taxes when you have to pay taxes on the RV. We also have just tons of people here to take care of you. We have a very extensive warranty department. When you have a problem anywhere, anytime, you give us a call. We find someone again to take care of you. We make sure everything's taken care of. We order the parts for you, everything. We have your back the entire way. We even have insurance here. And you say, insurance, what are you doing that for? We have over 200 companies that we do insurance business with. We don't work for them, we work for you. So, number one, we can get you insurance, same price you're paying now or more affordable, but when you have a claim, we fight for you. We don't work for the insurance company, we work for you. There's so much more we have to offer too. Give us a call and we'd love to discuss it with you further at 877-877-4494. Check out our website, rvwholesalers.com, and go to our YouTube page. Just search for RV Wholesalers. You'll find us on YouTube. Tons of videos like this and more that help you buy an RV, help you use your RV, help you maintain your RV. Thank you for watching.